Obviously, I'm not in my usual spot for recording. So here's a really good setup for recording on the go and having everything really mobile. So first off, we're gonna need a GorillaPod. Now this GorillaPod is gonna be really useful for taking photos, video anywhere, because you can literally bend it exactly the way you want, and it's going to be really easy to have in your backpack because it's pretty small and mobile. Like here, this is the size of my arm. You can get a rough idea. So pretty easily fittable anywhere, and it's just very versatile. So the second thing you're gonna need is a light. Now this light is great because it's RGB and it's really affordable, so you can find it online pretty much anywhere, and it's something really useful to keep in your bag, because if you need a light for filling up your face like this, because look, this is the difference. That's without it on my face, this is with it on my face. So again, really good idea to have this with you. Now another thing is a camera, and obviously this will be preference to whatever you want, but I do recommend either a full frame or something that's at least affordable that you can bring with you and you don't have to worry about it. Because let's say you're traveling somewhere, you don't want to have something that's gonna potentially get lost or broken. Just something to keep in mind. So even crop sensor works with this, because again, it's a camera, and if you're not doing anything crazy but you need a ton of light, then it should be fine. Now another thing that you'll see is this right here. Now this is the Luanzi AM18 mic, and it's something similar to DJI mic. Now it doesn't record in 32-bit float. As far as I remember, it's 16-bit, but it's still really great. I'm recording all of it on this mic right now, so that's what you hear, and I'm just holding the camera with my hand, so I'm just literally doing it almost like a vlog kind of thing. So it's really great, and here's what the case looks like, just so you can see how small it is. So pretty small. If I open it up, you can see there's a mic right there, the second one, and then the receiver goes there. So very easy to take around and very good. Now lastly is an actual wide angle lens, or just something that works with your position and whatever you need to use it with. So again, I recommend wide angle because I'm holding an 18 to 35 millimeter 1.8 in my hand right now, and it's pretty good. Like the framing is pretty nice, but again, depending on where you're setting up your camera, you might want to get something longer, shorter, etc. Just something to keep in mind. So that's a really good mobile setup that you can take pretty much anywhere. If you obviously want to change things out, that's personal preference, but this is personally what I like using, and it works really well for my situation, and it really fits into even a small camera bag. Like it can fit into this almost. This small little bag, some bag smart bag that I got as a gift, really great bag, and yeah, it's something really useful. You can put a lot of stuff in. Maybe not the GorillaPod, but everything else should fit in there pretty easily if you just kind of rearrange it properly. So yeah, that's a really small setup that you can use to record on the go. I hope you liked this video, got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to see any of my social media, be sure to look over here. Maybe I'll put it over here. And I hope to see you in the next video. And be sure to look at this video over here if you want to see another cool video, or check out the channel right here so you can see some more cool content. See you in the next video. Peace.